Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Hey, I've got a little something going on here. A little, might call it treachery. Not really treachery, that's just a fun thing to say. Okay, here's the deal. You need a tool, you need it twice a year. You want to spend $250, $300 on a DeWalt, Milwaukee, something like that? Not me. So I went to the local store and I got something that reviews pretty good. And I'm not here to advertise that tool though. I'm going to show you how I use that tool. And the product, there we go. It comes with it. Or it didn't come with it, but I added to it. So, and this is actually a Bauer. It's a 1/2-inch ratchet, battery powered. But I didn't want to buy a bunch of Bauer batteries for twice a year. Not me. So we're going to find out how this works together. This I got right here on Amazon, of course. This is it's an adapter. Okay, so this one fits a DeWalt. The DeWalt battery slides right on that, and then this slides right on the Bauer tool, whatever Bauer tool it is. There you go. Now, I'm not spending an extra $250 for an expensive tool that I don't use very much. Well under $100. I think it's a great deal. So, using your head, right? It's the adapter. It's the Bauer to DeWalt adapter. If you need something like this, go ahead and get it. I mean, the adapter's great. Thanks for watching. Bye now.